Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Daunting. Today we're going to go over hooking up your washer to your water lines. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty basic. You're going to have your water lines right here. They're pretty much color coordinated, as you can tell right over here. You got your cold water valve and your hot water valve. So you can just go over here, hand tighten it, take a pair of channel locks or adjustable wrench, and kind of get in there and just tighten it down a little bit better. Kind of like that. Now, if you run to the issue where it seems like it's not getting on tight enough, what you can do is wrap Teflon tape around here to kind of create a better seal if you're worried about water leaking or anything like that. But you can just hook it up like that. Go on very, very easy. Right now we're hand tight. Nothing's gonna leak out of there. It's nice and solid. So that's pretty much how you hook up your new washer to your water. Like I said, before I end this, I'm sorry. Like I said, they're going to be color coordinated, so you can tell. If they aren't color coordinated, a hose is a hose. Attach it to your hot valve. Attach to your hot valve over here, and your cold valve that's attached to your house to the cold side over here. Now, if you're colorblind, you might want to have somebody else do it for you, so you're not guessing and switching up your water lines. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you, and remember to stay safe and come back next week and like and subscribe to this video.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.